Hi, in this video, we will learn about two different things: adjusting the width and height of cells and hiding and unhiding Excel rows and columns. So starting with the adjusting the width and height of the cell, we can adjust any cell's height and width by selecting these. If you wanted to change it from here, then row height. Right click by selecting this. First right click the complete row, then you find this option row height, then you can increase height or decrease height like 21. It will increase the value. Do it again. $11, so it will decrease. In the same way, we can select the entire column, then we find the width, column width, so we can use 70. That will increase that. Now for decreasing, you will use the same function that we used earlier, like 12. So by this method, we can increase the height and width of particular cell. Now, how to hide or unhide Excel rows and columns? We can hide and unhide by the same method by selecting this, right click and then hide. So it got hide. To unhide a particular row, we will select both these options, then right click, then unhide. Alternatively, you can use other method also, like select both the cell and double click on it. Just double click on it. So it got unhide. In the same way, we can hide cell also, this column, particular column also, by right click on it, hide, then select both the cell, either double click on it or you can use unhide option by right click on. Both the method can be worked here. There are other methods also. We can use format hide unhide option, so you can use hide rows, hide columns, hide sheet, unhide column. These can be used here. So let's suppose hide the rows. For this particular row, row number 9 has been hide. In the same way, we can use this particular column also. The hide the column. So this column also got hidden. As we can use, there are multiple different also functions out of it, like this row height, as we did about, that can be done from here also. So that was all for this video. Do practice here. You will find more different options to choose from. Thank you.